What is your name?
Sir, my name is Aradhya Dixit.
Okay, in which class do you study, Aradhya?
Sir, I study in 5th class.
Okay, so let's talk about your hometown. Where do you live?
Sir, I live in Udhampur, Jammu Kashmir.
Okay, that's great. You live in Udhampur, Jammu Kashmir. Okay, so do you plan to live there for a long time?
No, sir, I'm living here about for 1 year, so I'm planning to move out to new places.
Oh, that's great. So, how long have you been here?
Sir, I have been here for 2 or 1 year.
Okay, you can say I have been living here for 2 months. I have been living here for 3 months, and it would be the प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस, क्योंकि हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में पास्ट के किसी पीरियड या पास्ट के किसी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम को दिखा सकते हैं। अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं मैं 2020 से रह रही हूं, तो आप बोलेंगे सर आई हैव बीन लिविंग हियर सिंस 2020। मैं 2 साल से रह रही हूं, देन यू कैन से आई हैव बीन लिविंग हियर फॉर 2 years। अंडरस्टूड ना? Okay, so do you enjoy your learnings with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so could you say something about these classes? Which part do you like the most?
Sir, the trick you are using to learn, first you tell you tell how to make negative sentences, positive sentences, and the part I really like about these classes is that you always clear our doubt.
Oh, that's great. Do you like the quizzes?
Yes, sir.
Oh, definitely. Yes, I provide you the quizzes, the live worksheet, because I believe in practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Okay. Now, who is your best friend? Could you tell me something about your best friend?
Yes. So my best friend name is Mandal,
Mhm.
and since a student in my class. She's about 9 years old,
Mhm.
and she's a very generous girl. And the first thing I really like about her that she didn't like to fight, and and I and I admire her so much.
Okay, Mansip doesn't fight with you. Okay. How many people are there in your family?
So there are four people in my family.
Okay. Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like it.
What do you watch in TV?
So in my free time, I watch Shinchan and Doraemon.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I also watch Shinchan and Doraemon, like this type of cartoons. Okay. Do you use computer?
Yes, I use computer.
Oh, that's great. And I'm very thankful to your parents also, because you are quite interested in, you always be in the classes in time. Good. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.